And that's when I started seeing the police, and that's why I got to running.
All right, well, I did see you square up to her, so why did you square up?
I just did that for my safety.
On April 19th, 2025, officers responded to a disturbance at a grocery store after an 18-year-old became aggressive toward employees and started squaring up with his girlfriend.
Hey!
Roll on your side.
Hey!
Roll on your side.
Can you back on my back? Hey, sir.
What's that?
Can you back on my back? Please.
What?
Please, can you back on my back? I can't breathe. Hey,
what?
you.
Why
don't you sit up?
You,
Sit up.
sir.
Sit up.
Please. Please.
Take a seat.
Please. Please, bro. Can you back on my back, bro?
Anybody stop with her? There's a female.
Hey, sir. Sir.
Take a breath, man.
Sir.
Take a breath.
Can you touch my back, bro? Please. You the one, bro. Can you touch my back, bro? Please.
Touch your back?
Yeah, bro. I can't breathe, bro. I can't breathe.
Take some deep breaths.
I ain't did nothing, bro.
On your leg, man. What are we doing?
It hurt, bro.
What does?
My side, bro.
Your side?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you stand up
I
so we can get
can't,
some air in your lungs?
I can't. It hurt, bro.
Okay, you want an
Yeah,
ambulance
you
then?
wrong. Yes, sir.
All right, for
It
what?
hurt,
For what?
bro. My
Specific.
side, my lung.
All right.
My lungs, bro.
You want to lay down? What do you want?
I was just lay down.
All right, you can lay down. That's fine. So what's going on?
All right,
Is
so
it domestic?
they look like they were fighting. So we're sitting over there at that abandoned gas station, just me and Valenti talking.
Okay.
And then we hear them first, and we turn and look, and we're like watching for a second, and they were like grabbing at each other and yelling at each other, like, all right, let's go. So Valenti went over around the front way, I went around the back way of the gas station, and then they were like kind of in the road in front of like the little like liquor store right there, like not the one on the corner here, but the one in the middle, I think. So we Valenti does his lights and sirens a couple times to let him know that we're coming. She stays and she points at him. He takes off running, so we both go for him, and he's running from us. And we're chasing him all around here to get to him. He's just running the whole time, and that's where we're at. So
Okay.
we were literally just going to see what's going on with him.
Yeah.
And then he just runs
took
off.
off.
Yeah.
The fighting, was it like arguing? Did you see him put hands on each
It
other?
was arguing, it was like grabbing.
Okay.
But we were,
Oh, okay. But we can't find her at all. Okay. Okay. Were you the first that caught up to him with Adams?
yeah.
And did you have use of force?
No.
Looks like Adams.
He was already on the
He sat down.
Yeah, he was on the ground. Yeah.
Okay. Sweet.
Touch my side, bro. Please.
How's that?
Please, bro.
How's that?
It feel better.
Good. All right,
Listen to me, sorry.
Listen to him.
Hey, I just got a couple.
Sorry, this is no funny. I been shot when I was 16.
This isn't really
I got
helping,
hella
though, you
metal with me.
understand?
I got hella metal with
Me
me,
putting
bro.
my hand on you
Listen to
honestly
me,
doesn't
sorry.
help.
Give me your hand. I'll show you where it's at. Give me your hand. No. I'm hurt, sorry. You gotta listen to me, bro. What happened I was at, bro? I could have died, bro.
You're fine. Listen to him.
Yes, sir.
All right, listen to me, man, all right? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law or other proceedings. You have the right to a lawyer before advice, before we ask you any questions, and if you have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you free of any costs. With that being said, do you want to talk to me about what happened tonight?
Sir?
I just need a yes or no if you want to talk to me or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What happened tonight, man? What was going on right there in the...
Yes, sir. Can you just hold me?
I got you. You talk to
It's
him.
better.
That's good. You talk to him.
Hey,
Right
so,
here, sir.
so what happened with you and
All
that
right, right
girl?
there. You
What
talk
happened
to
with you
him.
and that girl tonight when we were trying to
Hey,
talk
you
to
hear
you?
me?
Yeah.
I walked out.
Uh-huh.
I went to the taco truck.
Okay.
And that's when I started seeing the police, and that's why I got to running.
Okay. Why'd
Sir.
you run?
I don't know why I ran. I did not touch her
Okay.
or anything.
All right. Well, I did see you square up to her. So why did you square up? Were you guys getting into an argument, or what happened? I didn't see you hit her, but you just square up on her. So why?
No, I just did that for my safety.
Okay. Well,
She normally throws stuff at me, sir.
okay. What kind of like you guys get into it often, or what?
Yeah.
Are you guys dating?
So, yeah,
How long you guys been dating?
5 years.
5 years.
What they at? Sir, Sarge,
I'm right here, bud.
where the fuck the ambulance at, bro?
I don't know, man.
This what made me get a tweaking.
What's your date of birth?
Sarge,
So here's the deal. Listen to me. Okay? You don't get to leave us until we figure out who you are. So if you got some warrant, we'll deal with it. It's not a big deal.
can you pick me up? Right here. Hey,
Yeah.
You,
What? Stop stepping on me. What's up?
I ain't stepping on.
Okay. What's going on?
A lot of shit.
Okay.
You're putting something in your finger. It's not gonna hurt.
For you not, give me your number.
Stop. Okay. You're Laurel Knox, is that correct?
For you not to help me out tonight?
What are you talking about?
Fuck that.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, you got a gun on you, you got a taser. Hey,
I don't have to.
listen to me. For y'all not to help me,
I'm just adjusting.
this the search.
Yeah.
For you not to help me, sir.
Dude, I put my hand on your side.
I understand that, sir. And I dap you for that, bro.
There we go. I don't think I've ever done that for anyone else.
Yes, sir.
So how about you respect him a little bit
I
more
can't respect
and
him,
answer
bro.
his
You
question?
don't want to touch my side, bro. You help me off for breathing.
Then what's your name?
I told him. He said he talking about I'm not that guy.
He told us a couple different things. Okay. What's your name?
Hey, sir.
What?
For your dispatch to say I finally trespassed. How?
What? I never said that.
You're listening to other people's conversations. It has nothing to do with
If it's not in RMS already.
Nope, you're gonna fall, bud. Stand up.
Oh, I feel weak. I've been feeling weak. That's why I told y'all.
Well, how about we sit back down then?
I really want you to get the fuck away from me.
Okay, I will. Do you want to hold on to it?
You don't help.
Yep, no problem.
Hey, bro.
We got charged. We're doing obstructing justice, resisting.
Are we?
Yeah, you want to run real quick?
You gonna follow or anything or not? What is it? What is it?
Obstructing justice, resisting. He's got to get medical clearance.
But I have to ride with him.
He's got it right.
Oh, yeah, I'll follow. I didn't realize you had to ride with him.
Yeah, they're requesting somebody ride with him.
Okay.
Nick, just keep me updated on time and everything like that. So we go, but we'll be patient. Try to get
I'll bring the squad over.
Don't get here.
I'm your friend, remember? I held your side.
You did. The sergeant did.
I held,
Fuck you.
You told me the other side. I held that side the whole
Yeah,
time.
you did.
Yes, I did.
The sergeant did.
I was the one who didn't hold your side.
Man, hey, look, bro. Stay the fuck away.
I'm gonna.
He's leaving. I'm staying with you. We were friends out there, man.
He was arrested and charged with resisting or obstructing a peace officer. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.